So hi guys, welcome everybody. So guys, I came across a certain video and I've decided that I will share it with you people. You know, you are my people and I must share with you this video. So guys, in today's video we're going to see how Jamaican reacts to racism. There's this lady who stopped the DJ from playing the song and the Jamaican reacted back. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video till the end. I'll be back, we'll be discussing and we'll see what happens. So guys, stay tuned, watch till the end. I'll be back with some comments.
Guys, this crazy Karen did not like the music the DJ was playing, and she decided to go stop the music from playing. Watch what happened.
So guys, this incident happened in one of the biggest hotel in Jamaica, whereby this Karen, she came straight to the DJ to try to stop the music because the DJ he's playing reggae and dancehall music. So this Karen, she wanted the DJ to play their own music. That's why she immediately came to the DJ to try to stop the music. And right now you can see the manager, he's trying to explain to her, this is Jamaica, you need to go back, the DJ will play your request. So that's why this Karen, she's complaining about the music that the DJ she's playing. So kindly watch this, then I'll be back with more comments.
Racist Karen goes to an Asian restaurant only to complain about Asian food.
Yeah, look at it. It's wrong. Absolutely. And it's going to lie about you because you don't go that age. Yeah, that is raw and it's water. Listen, water.
You don't live here. I'm calling the police on you.
Oh, what are you going to do?
Calling the police on
Take
you.
off your chin cake.
Get out of here. And do not ever phone here again.
Excuse me, I'm a Meltzer, I'm a born here. You came over on a boat.
Looks like this Karen's apology is just as racist as her actual tantrum.
Early boats being things to you, not me.
I feel that, but you can't say things like that.
And I apologized, didn't I?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you apologize. You said it 2 times. You came out and told me what your parents would have called me and this and that. I don't give a.
I told you I went to school with black people.
It doesn't matter. They don't give you the right to say the N-word.
Well, then you can leave, but my stuff is not coming off your truck.
Shit me. Yo, coming right off this truck, lady. Get your clown out of here.
Fucking move my stuff.
That coming off my truck, period. Racist lady.
I'm not going to have them move me ever again.
Don't. We don't move racist people anyway.
I'm not racist.
Yeah, all right. Take your ass in the crib, lady.
Honey, I'm moving to the crib. And I lived on the crib. I lived on 24th and 4th, so I know what the crib is.
This Kevin is offended by Black History Month and calls it black supremacy.
Very offended by this book right here. This is anti-white racism. Anti-white racism, sir. I don't appreciate that. And this right here is black supremacy. Where is it? Yeah, I'm Black History. That's black supremacy. We got another one, Black History. Where's the white history? Where's the white history, man? You know, I am Black History. Where's the white section? Is there, you know?
Well, this is for Black History Month.
Do you have a white history month?
Not at the moment. We go by month based on the pictures and all that. Currently, Black History Month.
We need white lives matter too, you know?
Okay. Well, you can call corporate and ask them to implement that. They can talk to you from there.
All right. Shoot, man. You know, what's up with all this anti-white racism going on? You know, this is white hatred, folks. You know, look at this. Where's the white culture? Where's the white culture, man? You know, white lives matter. White lives matter, sir. This is black racism.
Sir, I'm not going to respond to anything you say. Have a good day.
Sir, this is anti-white racism. This is black supremacy.
Sir, if you could not say anything further to me, I would have a better day that way.
This is black supremacy.
You have a wonderful day, sir. Enjoy whatever you find.
LGBT fascism too. Sick of it. This boy's hated. You know, I'm upset at this stand right here because that book, White Fragility, that's anti-white racism. You know, that's racism towards white people. So, and then you have the Black History and the Black History Month. You know, where's the White History Month, and you know, where's all that?
Isn't every day White History Month?
No, it's not. You know, there's a lot of anti-white racism going on in this country.
I can give you the customer service number, and you can, you know, your concerns can be heard by them. So you'd like the number?
I'll post a video, and I'm sure they'll contact me, but I appreciate it though.
So welcome back, my people. I hope that you have watched the full video, guys. And I was so sad seeing a lady from another nation telling the DJ to stop the music. You know, guys, if it was for me, if I was the DJ, I could chase that girl away, but that is, for me, that is not good, because you are in Jamaican, you know, you are in a big brand called Jamaican. So guys, and you're telling the DJ to stop the mix. So there was like a concert there in Jamaica, and a big concert. People were enjoying themselves, doing activities, interacting, but you know, DJ must change different songs, you know. So the DJ was playing like African song, Jamaican song, but when it reached Jamaican song, you know, this lady stood up and started creating drama. You know, she went to the DJ, started harassing him, started telling him to play the next video, and that is, for me, that is not good, because you are in Jamaica. You know, Jamaican people do love music, and they love loud music. So you are a visitor there, you have come to visit Jamaica, and then you are starting like want to control Jamaica. You know, Jamaica is a very good place. You know, Jamaica has very good people. So this lady was telling the DJ, yo, stop playing that music, like play the other music. So you have seen the bodyguard there was very angry, and he decided that she will take the girl outside, because the girl is showing disrespect to Jamaica. You know, she's in Jamaican, but she makes Jamaican people feels like their song is not worth it. Telling the DJ to play the next video, like telling the video not to play the Jamaican music, and you are in Jamaican. That's crazy. If it wasn't, if I was there, like I was the DJ, I could have chased the girl, because that is showing disrespect to Jamaican people, even to Jamaican itself. So guys, for that lady, she should like apologize, because she has failed. Like she has made Jamaican people to feel bad, because you know, Jamaican are very good, Jamaican are very welcoming, they are known for hostility, but when Jamaican gives you space, that lady has shows that she has no respect to Jamaican, and she has really done bad. So if you are in a concert, maybe you are a foreigner, and you feel like the song that is being played does not fit you, like it does not, like you are feeling like the music is not your vibe, you can go home, or maybe turn on your phone, listen to your own album, like to your own playlist, because telling the DJ like to stop playing the music is like the girl is acting like she's the only one that she's listening to the music, but there are a lot of people listening to the music, and the music was good. So that lady, I think she really did a bad thing, because she's in Jamaica, and I feel so bad, like she's disrespecting Jamaican, and I'm wondering, why do you visit Jamaican yet you don't like their things, like you don't like their music? What's the main agenda of visiting Jamaica? You know, we all know Jamaican, like the world knows Jamaican because of their music. You know, Jamaican is the birthplace of reggae music. You know, many people like listen to reggae music because the Jamaican music have good words, like they have good encouragement, like they have really changed many people the way they think. And one thing I like about Jamaican song is that it never gets old, guys. In my device here I have like songs of Jamaica, like they were sung like 1980s, guys. 1980s. I wasn't even born, and the songs are very good. They have good words of encouragement, and they are good songs. They never get old. One thing about Jamaican music, guys, they never get old. So me, I'm listening to the music that was sung even before I was born. Like they were sung during my father's prime, like when my father was young, you know. So Jamaican songs are very good, and we do like Jamaica. Even here where I live, like people do love this song. What do we call it? People love the dancehall, you know. People love the dancehall song. Like many students here where I live, even me when I was still studying, when I was still in high school, during like entertainment time from 6 to 7, it was dancehall party. Like we could listen to Vybz Kartel and other musicians, and we do love Jamaican music. So the foreign girl has really disappointed me, because me, I'm not a Jamaican, but I'm really obsessed with Jamaica, and I do love Jamaican, and I really respect Jamaica. So I'm wondering, is still there? Is still? I'm wondering if racist is still there, because racist in Big 25. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. So that girl, she has really done something bad, and if I was there, like literally there, I could have chased the girl, because she's showing some disrespect to big brand called Jamaica. So guys, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to show me some love by subscribing. Guys, for the returning one, I want to appreciate you, because without you I couldn't be here, guys. When I started this channel, I had 0 subs and 0 watch time, but I've seen some progress, and it's because of you guys. So guys, I want to appreciate you, because you have really supported me, and one love to you. So guys, we will meet in the next video. Take care. See you in the next video.